We're in Green Bay, Wisconsin, delivering a brand new van ladder to Creative Sign Company. This company is on the move. With over 50 employees, Creative Sign tackles every aspect of sign work, from design to fabrication to installation, and they have plenty of awards on their wall to prove they know what they're doing. How did they hear about the van ladder?
I was sent an email which had a YouTube link onto it.
This is Todd Thomas. He's the captain of this ship.
I was able to view the link, and I thought it looked like it was pretty easy to use unit with, again, that flexibility that I was looking for and the economy that I was looking for.
But Todd wanted proof, so he asked us to bring the van ladder first to Green Bay, then up to Michigan to hang signs. This is Dave Wyant. He's the install manager at Creative Signs. You're probably wondering what he's doing in the bucket. One of his installers called in sick, so guess who traveled to Michigan? You guessed it, Dave. Here's what he had to say about the van ladder.
Storage space is pretty unbelievable, and you can put everything on the inside. You don't have to worry about it blowing around, being on a trailer. I like the rotation of the basket. It's quick, easy, smooth. You can feel it with your hands as you're turning it. Channel letters seem like they'll really be a simple install versus going up on your stationary basket. You can get more things done, and you can rely on one person getting things done, and it makes the business just a lot easier. You can pretty much do everything that two men can do, and I did it today. Tried to do it on my own, and it worked out all right. It's really a one-man show.
Dave brought back a good report to Todd, and that's why we're here delivering their new truck. Before we left, we asked Todd why he chose van ladder.
We've got a number of individuals that we could put out on vehicles, but they don't have CDLs. So having a vehicle like this with the flexibility that this one does and the economy that it has would be very beneficial for any sign company. I've got a number of cranes, and the problem with the cranes is the initial expense, and the maintenance is very high. And to use them to install something that this unit could install isn't practical. We obviously need to have crane trucks in our fleet to hoist some of the bigger projects, but there's a number of projects that this one could come and do and be a lot more efficient, both by the gallons per hour and the flexibility that it has, and the uniqueness of its agility.
Welcome to the family, Creative Signs. Enjoy your truck. How about you? Are you ready to join the van ladder family?